2 years after Mumbai lawyer Pallavi Purkayastha was brutally murdered inside her apartment, a court has found the guard of her building guilty of assault, murder and trespassing. The court has convicted guard Sajjad Ahmed Pathan under Section 302 and 354 of the Indian Penal Code. Sajjad Ahmed faces the life term or the death sentence. The quantum of punishment will now be announced on July 3rd. 25-year-old lawyer was murdered in an apartment in Wadala on August 9, 2012. After the court's verdict, speaking to Headlines Today, Pallavi Purkayastha's father has called for the strictest punishment for the guards.
By Pallavi's father, so I would like to ask you, you were present in the court. What punishment you are expecting on 3rd of July?
Nothing less than death. Nothing less than death.
It must be a very difficult phase for you. Two years, after 2 years, the verdict will come.
It cannot be expressed in words. What we have undergone, the two families have undergone last 2 years.
This is not a single murder, if we see, this is a double murder.
Double murder. This is double murder. Pallavi and Avi possibly have paid more income tax than, they have paid income tax which should be more than the fellow has consumed in last 2 years staying in the prison.
So there are many young girls
professionals who are at the threshold of a beautiful life, a beautiful career. They were nipped at the bud. I only wish that this thing doesn't happen to any other family.
Thank you so much. With cameraman Mangesh Amre, Amrita Shedge in Mumbai for Headlines Today.
बिल्कुल तबाही हो गई हमारी जिंदगी में। बेटी हमारी सब कुछ थी और बेटी भी चली गई, होने वाला दामाद भी चला गया और क्या बचा ही क्या जिंदगी में। लड़की इस तरह से चली गई तो और क्या चाहिए माँ को? बिल्कुल सजा मौत होना चाहिए। I want the death penalty definitely for her.
Court has held guilty for the offence of murder as well as for outraging the modesty of Pallavi as well as unauthorized encroachment in a flat. This being a serious offence, we would like to adduce some more evidence on the quantum of sentence because now the court has held him guilty for the offence of murder and only 2 sentences are possible, life imprisonment or death penalty. Therefore, we may adduce the evidence on the 3rd July and the court may pronounce its verdict on that day.
The guard Sajjad Ahmed was arrested within a few days after Pallavi's body was found lying in a pool of blood at her rented flat in Wadala. According to investigators, the guard confessed he stole the house keys to gain entry to the house, took her by surprise and tried to rape her. Pathan, 22, a native of Uri in Jammu and Kashmir, was charged with murder, molestation and trespassing. During the trial, the prosecution examined 40 witnesses. Pallavi's partner Avik Sengupta, the prime witness in the case. He passed away in hospital in November 2013 after battling a brain ailment for over a year.